riding bike from our home in La-ngu city to Pak Bara Beach at night. A lot of traffic. Ooh, busy in La-ngu city tonight. It's a big holiday for Muslim. Oh, duck. Where's the light? Pak Bara 5K. We are about halfway to Pak Bara Beach. It's very, very busy night. Pak Bara Beach area. Let's see how busy it is. A lot of young people coming out tonight. 2, 3, or even 4 on scooter. Yep, a lot of people.
Good sunset shots right here.
Yeah. Along the beach, as you can see, some area, a lot of people sitting on the sidewalk looking out to the ocean, and there are quite a few, many seafood restaurants along the road. So this one. So all this car, truck, they're bringing family out for dinner on the holiday. And around here, you sit on the sidewalk and look out to the ocean, or even sit the back of your truck. This is where people hang out. Yep. Yeah. Beach just right there to my left, next to the sidewalk. through Pak Bara Beach area. This area you can get some food, some papaya salad, grilled chicken, drink, coconut drink. I think they even have ice cream and some other food. You can pick up the food here and then you eat on the beach. I mean by the beach. Coming up the pier area where you can also park your car, but there's no steering here. But there is tourist police station right here next to it. You can park there, and to the left here, that's where the pier is, where you can get on the speedboat to go to the islands.